Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you are like me and have gotten into making candles, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to get the wick centered into your container you're going to make into a candle. And that's why this generic wick center tool has made that so much easier. I love how it has this cool cascading cone of different diameters of circles. Not every can has the same diameter. And that's why something like this is very valuable, because all you do is set it in. Because it is a hard plastic, it's going to maintain its shape, and you can just put the can over the circle that is the closest diameter to it. So you push the wick in to it. The wick is inside the metal rod, and because this is magnetic, it's going to stick right to it. When you attach a sticky pad to that wick, it's now going to attach to the bottom. So just make sure your hand stays secure on it. When it shoots down, make sure you press it down. It's now going to be attached to the bottom of the container, and then you can just pull it up and it is placed dead center in your container, which makes such a big difference for anyone who does make candles in how long you are going to be able to use and benefit from your candle. If your wick is crooked, it's going to not melt your candle evenly, and then it's going to create tunneling or uneven leveling of your candle, and eventually you're not going to be able to melt it and be able to benefit from the wonderful scent and beauty of your candle. So I think if you like making your own candles for yourself, for gifts, or maybe would like to sell your candles, you definitely want to have the tool that's going to allow you to create the best product possible. And that's my point of view.